Come on, it's go time. For what? Lynn, what's happening? Oh! Hey! Ow! What are you doing? Practicing my kickboxing. Yesterday you said you'd be my sparring partner. Remember? Hey! I did? I mean, right. I remember. So, do you know where, Lola went today? No. Why? Well, I guess I promised to, do something for her, but I sort of forgot what it is. What? You better remember. You know what happens when you make Lola mad. Did I ever tell you about the pudding incident? No. Oh, you ate the last pudding, huh? Oh, did I? I guess so. Oh, that's okay. All because you ate the last pudding? Yep, now stay focused. Go! Lincoln, come on. I need you. For what? Don't be a dope. We talked about this tomorrow. I mean yesterday. I think my design for the Manotard is really working. Thanks for agreeing to be my model. Ow! Yeah, sure. So, let me ask you a hypothetical, a what-if question. Say you promised Lola you do something for her, but you forgot what it was. Landon, you're in huge trouble. My name is Lincoln. You know what happens when you make Lola mad. Did I ever tell you about the Tiara crisis? Oops. Sorry, Lola. Oh, that's okay. Where's all my stuff? That's right up, ladies and gentlemen. Freeze up! I shouldn't have made this stuff, but you did. All because you accidentally broke her tiara? And Viola. Okay, girls. Fashion show. What? Girls? No way. You promised. You sure I agreed to do this? I believe your exact words yesterday were, "Whatever you say, sis." So, I hear you got a little Lola problem. How did you... Word gets around. Now listen to me, Lincoln. You know what happens when you make Lola mad, so you better figure out what you promised her. Did I ever tell you